Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Ainanda Alifka from PBIA. I will explain about my answer for several questions. Question number 1. Explain about language in linguistics perspective.
In linguistics perspective, language is understood as a complex structured system of communication that relies on symbols such as sounds, words, or gestures to convey meaning. It operates based on a set of grammatical rules that govern how sound and words are combined into sentences, allowing individuals to share thoughts and ideas. These rules are essential for generating meaningful communication, making language a system with both form and function.
Question number 2. Explain about language in psycholinguistics perspective.
In psycholinguistics, language is viewed as a cognitive system that is closely tied to the mental processes involved the comprehension, production, and acquisition of language. Psycholinguistics focuses on understanding how the brain processes language and how people use it in real-time communication. From a psycholinguistics perspective, language is seen as a mental phenomenon with emphasis on how it processes, acquired, stored, and used by the brain in real-time communication.
Question number 3. Explain psycholinguistic perspective in language production, language perception, and language acquisition.
Language production in psycholinguistics perspective refers to how humans generate and articulate speech or written language. Psycholinguistics explores the mental processes involved in producing language, starting from formulating thoughts, selecting words, constructing sentences, and then executing the physical act of speaking or writing. It investigates how individuals retrieve words from memory and follow grammar rules while coordinating motor function like speaking. Language perception involves how people understand spoken or written language. Psycholinguistics examines how we recognize sounds, interpret words, and construct meaning from sentences. It also studies how we use context, intonation, and grammar to comprehend language quickly and accurately, even when speech is unclear or incomplete. Last is language acquisition. This area focuses on how individuals, especially children, learn language. Psycholinguistics explore the cognitive and social processes that enable humans to acquire language from their environment. Key theories include the idea that humans are born with an innate capacity for language and how learning from exposure to language shapes this ability over time.
Question number 4. Explain the differences and the sameness of the three languages used in detail.
The three processes such as language production, language perception, and language acquisition are interconnected but differ in their roles and focus in psycholinguistics. The first difference is in the focus of each process. Language production involves the processes of generating language, how we convert thought into speech or writing. It focuses on how we form sentences, choose appropriate words, and then physically articulate them. Language perception is about understanding language, how we comprehend spoken or written language. It deals with how listeners or readers decode sounds, words, and sentences to extract meaning. Language acquisition area is concerned with how people, especially children, learn language. It focuses on the mental stage and cognitive mechanisms that allow humans to acquire the ability to understand and produce language over time. Second differences is mental process. In language production involves generating a message in the mind, assessing the mental lexicon, organizing grammar and sentence structure, and then executing motor skills to speak or write. And in language perception involves recognizing and decoding linguistic input such as hearing sounds or reading words, and mentally reconstructing the meaning based on phonology, syntax, and semantics. Language acquisition involves both conscious and unconscious processes like absorbing language from the environment and learning vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation over time. Acquisition also relies on memory, attention, and interaction with others. The first semester is in the cognitive involvement. All three processes, such as production, perception, and acquisition, are deeply cognitive. They involve complex mental activities such as assessing the mental lexicon, applying grammatical rules, and processing meaning or semantics. Whether we are speaking, listening, or learning, the brain is consistently engaging in similar underlying processes related to understanding and using language. Second is depends on linguistics knowledge. All processes rely on fundamental linguistics knowledge, including phonology or sound, syntax or grammar, and semantics or meaning, and then pragmatics. Whether someone is producing language, perceiving it, or acquiring it, they are drawing from this shared store of knowledge to communicate effectively.
I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.